If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you woke up to a cold shower or found a puddle around your water heater. I know that sinking feeling, so let's cut to the chase. First, how do you know it's actually replacement time? The usual signs: it's leaking from the tank itself, your water's coming out rusty, you're hearing rumbling or popping sounds, or it's just stopped keeping up. And age matters. Most tanks last 8 to 10 years. If yours is in that range and acting up, repair is often throwing money at a recurring problem that will just become a nuisance. Now, the questions everyone has: the cost depends on the size, the fuel type, and your setup, which is usually a few thousand installed. A swap out typically takes a few hours, but you won't be without hot water very long. And if you're wondering about going tankless, it's a great option for some homes, but it's a bigger project with a bigger budget. So it's worth a conversation, but it's not a snap decision. One thing I'll be straight with you on: gas lines, venting, and permits aren't DIY territory. Getting it wrong is dangerous. This is worth hiring a licensed professional for. If you're unsure where your tank stands, reach out and we'll take a look and give it to you straight. Call us for a free quote at 604-873-3753 or visit www.kcplum.ca.